Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pair your Telus remote with your TV. First, let's start with the Telus TV digital box remote, the one with Google and Bluetooth support. To pair it with your TV box, pick up the remote and press and hold the 7 and 9 buttons at the same time for about 3 seconds. Keep holding until you see the LED light flash white. This means the remote is now in pairing mode. Your TV box should detect it automatically. Now, to pair this same remote with your TV using a manual code, press and hold the OK button and the mute button together for 3 seconds. Wait until the green light stays on. Once the light is steady, use the number pad to enter the code for your TV brand. After entering the code, the green light will flash twice and then turn off. This means the setup is complete. Next, if you are using the Slimline remote too, start by turning on both your TV and your digital box. Then press and hold the options button for 3 seconds. Watch for the green light next to the optic power button to flash twice. Now enter the 4-digit code for your TV brand. After that, press and hold the TV power button until your TV turns off. As soon as it turns off, release the button and press OK to confirm. The red TV light will flash twice to show it worked. Finally, for the classic remote, press and hold the TV mode button. Keep holding until the SAT, VCR, and AOAX buttons light up and begin flashing. Then enter the 3-digit code for your TV. Press the hash button to save the code. Thanks for watching.